स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ।
Hello guys, welcome to Maneuver Education. Today in this video, we will going to discuss about OP Jindal Global University. Guys, this is the university which is very good for law preparation. Now, before we proceed ahead, Maneuver has launched a new YouTube channel which is very specific to law entrance examination. We will going to put all the information about Maharashtra Law CET, CLAT, DU LLB, BHU Law, SLAT, LSAT, ILET and other entrance examination. For best coaching for law preparation, you can call our board line number 8828581455. Now guys, let us see the OP Jindal Global University. So OP Jindal Global Institution of Eminence deemed to be university. It is a non-profit global university. Okay, so it's a non-profit global university established in 2009 by Government of Haryana and recognized by University Grant Commission UGC. So this particular university is UGC listed university which has been approved by UGC. The university has received the highest grade of A grade by National Accreditation Assessment and Council. Okay, so in 2019 JGU, that is Jindal Global University, was awarded the prestigious Institution of Eminence of status by Government of India. So this is the about Jindal Global University. It is also ranked in one of the all over India private university. So it is one of the best private university for law preparations. Okay, now talking about campus tour, it has very huge campus with the well equipped classroom, well developed classroom, high maintained library and hostel rooms also for the students. Now talking about admission at JGU, okay, so that is Jindal Global University. Admission to 5-year BA, BBA, LLB honors is done only on the basis of merit in LSAT. ओके, सो LSAT के बेसिस पे इसे यहाँ पे एडमिशन आपको मिलेगा. ओके, नाउ इन दिस वीडियो ओनली वी विल सी कि क्या कट ऑफ है इसका, कैसे आपको प्रिपरेशन होगा, ये सारी चीजें हम इसमें देखेंगे. नाउ एडमिशन टू 3 years BA ऑनर्स लीगल स्टडी दे हैव, दिस इज on the basis of JSAT law. Okay, now admission to 3 years LLB program is also available, okay, on the merit basis in the DU LLB entrance examination. So these are the programs जहाँ पे आप admission ले सकते हैं. Now talking about cutoff for LSAT India. LSAT is conducted by Law School of Admission Council, which is for BA, BBA, LLB. It is a 5 years integrated program. So you need to score in LSAT around 80 to 99.99 percentile. For 3 years LLB program, you need to score 60 to 99.99 percentile. Okay. Now seats program, what they have, we will going to see. They have Bachelors of Law LLB. They have 60 seats with the duration of 3 years. Bachelors of Arts and Bachelors of Law honors, they have 180 seat with the duration of, they have 5 years course. BBA and LLB honors, they have 180 seat, and duration of this particular course is 5 years. Now talking about fees of 3 years and 5 years, my dear students, this particular university take fees around 6 lakh yearly, approximately 6 or little bit more it will be there. So for 3 years program and 5 years program, it take approximately 6 lakh fees per year. Okay, now talking about placements, Jindal Global University give you most important and most reputed companies placement. Like we have Anand and Anand Economic Law Practice, Lakshmi Kumaran Sridharanan Indus Law, Agarwal Associates, Khaitan and Co. These are the law firms which offer the students job to their companies, and the highest salary package they get is 15 lakh per annum and lowest is 9 lakh. So my dear students, over here if you see the fees of, if it is 3 years or 5 years, it is approximately 6 years. But if you see after graduating or post graduating from OP Jindal Global University, you will going to get best return on investment. So if you are putting 6 lakhs per year, so you will get also 15 lakhs per year as a salary. Okay. Now if you want to clear LSAT for Jindal Global University, you can join our Maneuver online program. You can order books, mock tests, sectional course, full course. You can also attend our live lectures. For online program, you can call on this number 8828581455. You can also visit our website maneuredu.com/law entrance. We have classroom preparation at Mumbai. Our branches are at Borivali, Dadar and Vasai. Friends, this is all about OP Jindal Global University. If you want any other college information, any other college, law college video, write in the comment section. So we will try to make the video on that. Share with your friends and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much.